BJP's Ramesh Biduri is at it again. He's made a remark that many may actually deem inappropriate and ask, is it really needed? What do you think of the metaphor that he has used, saying Hirani towards Atishi, referring to a female deer? Ramesh Biduri is in fact the candidate from Kalkaji Assembly constituency against Chief Minister Atishi. Ramesh Biduri says, and I quote it here, Atishi is roaming on the streets like a deer. Aam Aadmi Party, of course, has jumped in to slam Biduri on this over the sexist remark. Earlier, also remember, Biduri had raised the issue of how she's changed her surname, which means that she's changed the father. And now comes in this remark. Let's listen in.
4 साल से लोग मिलक भोग रहे हैं। अब जब 4 महीने रह गए, 4 महीने चुनाव में आने के हो गए, तो आतिशी जी गलियों में जैसे जंगल में हिरनी भागती फिरती है, ऐसे गलियों में भागती फिर रही है। गलियों में कोई मेरी बहन टकरा जाए, कोई माँ बहन मिल जाए, तो 4 साढ़े 4 साल याद नहीं आया। जब गलियों में कोई बहन टकरा जाए तो भागकर ऐसे चिपट कर मिलती है जैसे कुंभ के मेले में कोई खोई बहन से मिल रही है।
Basically like a scared deer in a forest. She's also running around on those streets. Let me bring in Anmol Bali for the latest on this. Anmol, what does he even mean? Try and help us understand what is the background to it. And again, unsurprisingly coming in from Ramesh Biduri after all.
Pooja, this is not the first time that Bharatiya Janata Party leader and contestant from Kalkaji Vidhan Sabha constituency, Ramesh Biduri, has made controversial remarks against a female politician. Earlier also it was seen that he made the kind of a remark against Congress leader Sonia Gandhi. And now while he was starting his procession for Kalkaji seat nomination papers, he made this remark against the Atishi Marlina, who is contesting against him from this seat, who is the current chief minister of the national capital. While addressing the public and the media, Ramesh Biduri said आतिशी दिल्ली की सड़कों पर ऐसे घूम रही है जैसे हिरनी जंगल में घूमती है, लोगों से मिलती जुल रही है. This is not the first time. Earlier also last year in Lok Sabha also he made some controversial statement which brought him into the limelight, into the media. And as you know, Ramesh Biduri is known for his fiery speech. He's known for his outspoken and controversial statements. And today it was seen that while he was going towards filing his nomination papers towards the Nehru place, he made this controversial statements where Hardeep Singh Puri, the central minister, as well as Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva were also accompanying him. They were also sharing the stage. So on this issue, it will be seen that soon Aam Aadmi Party will be targeting Ramesh Biduri, because earlier also it was seen that big billboards were used. They were projected on the roads to show Ramesh Biduri as a Gali Galoch chief minister versus the CM Arvind Kejriwal. So again, the Aam Aadmi Party,
they are also going after Ramesh Biduri, saying Gali Galoch party and Gali Galoch leaders. Now, is this a metaphor that to Ramesh Biduri the audience would understand, or perhaps will it be deemed inappropriate? So listen in again to what the candidate from Kalkaji, who's been a former member of parliament as well, Ramesh Biduri, has said.
4 साल से लोग मिलक भोग रहे हैं। अब जब 4 महीने रह गए, 4 महीने चुनाव में आने के हो गए, तो आतिशी जी गलियों में जैसे जंगल में हिरनी भागती फिरती है, ऐसे गलियों में भागती फिर रही है। गलियों में कोई मेरी बहन टकरा जाए, कोई माँ बहन मिल जाए, तो 4 साढ़े 4 साल याद नहीं आया। जब गलियों में कोई बहन टकरा जाए तो भागकर ऐसे चिपट कर मिलती है जैसे कुंभ के मेले में कोई खोई बहन से मिल रही है।